Okay, let's look at another cool feature, filtering and favorites. Now, we mark a song as a favorite by, again, tapping on that little star in the upper left corner. Now we have a button. If you have two or more favorites, this button will appear. It'll appear and disappear, but you have to have favorites. So we'll tap on it and it gives you a message. Now the idea here is that it'll play whatever your favorites are consecutively, one after another in a loop. So you can favorite and just play those particular songs. So instead of just repeating the same song over and over, it'll go from one favorite to the next, to the next, to the next. And it does do it in the order that you favorite. Okay, so let's take a look at now the songs. Now this is another cool feature. On the upper portion there, it looks like a funnel or a filter. I want to just look at, for example, minor songs. So if I type in minor and do a search, well, we have quite a few matches, actually 82 matches for minor. But if I want just minor C, okay, do a search, there's 6 matches. So I see harmonic minor, melodic, and natural minor. So this will persist. So if I go back out and go back into it, it'll remember it and it'll have those 6 different songs. Now they're not favorited, they're just filtered now. So I can go to, say, melodic minor and go back. Now this, you'll see if I tap it, I'll undo the filter. Then you have this other little button up here on the left of the filter, and it'll expand and collapse. So we have libraries based on just a, overall song topic, and these can be created, and I'll talk about that in another video. So if we tap on one of them, you'll see that that little button appears, and then you can click it to open up a library. So this and the filter and the favorites. Oh, the other thing with the favorites from this screen, let's undo this. If I tap on the favorites button, only the favorites will show up. And if I decide to tap on one of them, it'll unfavorite. So instead of 8 favorites, as you see, I have 7. I'll do it again, and I'll have 6. So that's how favorites and filtering works.